Tired of constantly refreshing your Wix store dashboard? Let's set up email notifications for every new order so you never miss a beat. First, log into your Wix account and head over to your site's dashboard, then navigate to the settings option located on the left-hand side menu. Scroll down within the settings until you find the e-commerce and finance section, and click on Store Settings. Within the Store Settings, you'll see a few tabs at the top. Click on the Email Notifications tab to access the notification settings. Here, you'll find a list of different email notifications. Locate the new order notification and make sure the toggle switch is set to on. It should appear blue or green to indicate it's active. You can customize the email address that receives these notifications, verify the email address is correct, or enter the desired email address for receiving notifications in the specified field. Once you've confirmed the email address, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to apply your changes. Wix will confirm that your changes have been saved. Now, every time a new order is placed on your Wix store, you'll receive an email notification instantly.